Slam choke. Game on. Face on. How will you say keeper style? I use you and the whole section knows Edric style. Look in the camera.
I used you. And the whole section knows it.
Pag Edric.
I used you. And the whole section knows it.
Martin. Paano mo sasabihin yung kay keeper na linya kanina? I use you and the whole section he knows it. Bilang batang ama.
Ano yung line niya? I used you.
and the whole section he knows it.
I used you.
Rupa May.
I used you.
I used you.
And the whole section knows it.
Yeah. JJ. Sakto pagkapan ko sa kanya, gulo siya.
Ito, paano mo sasabihin yung line ni Kiefer na I use you and the whole section he knows it. Rory style. Bilang Rory. Serious rin siya. Hindi, basta ikaw kasi mo. I used you.
And the whole section knows it.
Sinaksak ka.
Si Robin.
Rab. Paano mo sasabihin yung line ni Kiefer kung ikaw yung magsasabi nun, I use you and the whole section he knows it. Bilang Yuri Hananuchi. Rolling, camera rolling.
The whole section knows it.
Akala ko hindi siya maglilinya kasi mostly kasi sa mga scenes niya nakagana na siya. Tahimik lang talaga siya.
Si Chang.
Sino ba kaya?
Busy on his phone.
Ano si David? Ito, David. Ano ko? How will you say key first line bilang David? Kung ikaw magsasabi nun, David dapat.
Nung I used you?
Oo. David
I used you. And the whole section knows it.
Mali. Di ba dapat si David may cellphone? May katawagan. Ayun.
Lahat ng eksena niya.